Hello everyone, welcome to Satya News. In this video, we are going to do problems which have been given by the NTA. I have picked some random problems from the National Test Abhyasa app and let's solve them now. Okay, this is a problem of integration. First of all, read the problem. The integral I is equals to integration of sin cube theta into cos theta by 1 plus sin square theta whole square d theta. It simplifies to. There are four options. Let's solve it now. Integration of sin cube theta into cos theta by 1 plus sin square theta whole square. Here we get an idea that to take 1 plus sin square theta as t. 1 plus sin square theta is equals to t. Hence after differentiation we get 2 sin theta into cos theta is equals to dt by d theta. Okay. The numerator we have sin theta into cos theta. Separate it and write sin square theta into sin theta into cos theta by 1 plus sin square theta whole square into d theta. And here we require 2, so multiply 2 and divide 2. So now in the place of 2 sin theta cos theta into dt, we can write d theta and we can write dt. So half of integration, you know that 1 plus sin square theta is t. So sin square theta will become t minus 1 by 1 plus sin square theta, which is t into dt. Now simplify it. Integration of t by t square minus 1 by t square. Okay. 1 t gets cancelled and half of integration 1 by t minus 1 by t square. We all know integration, right? Whole dt, okay? Integration 1 by t is log t, ln t, minus of integration of 1 by t power minus 2. T power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So, we get plus of 1 by t plus c. Now in the place of t, if we substitute 1 plus sin square theta, we get half into ln of 1 plus, what I will write here, half of ln into 1 plus sin square theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin square theta and plus c. C is a constant, so check the option half into sin theta. So here half is only for ln sin theta, but we have half for both ln 1 plus sin square theta and 1 by sin square theta. So second is our correct option. Easy, right? Here is the next problem, which is from the chapter matrix. Let's read the question first. The number of values of x in the interval minus 4 to minus 1 for which the matrix, this is the matrix, is singular. And there are four options, 1, 3, 4, 5. Now, first of all, underline the singular. Singular means we should make the delta of matrix to 0. So, I am going to equate the delta of matrix to 0 and solve for x. 2x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now 3 into x plus 2 minus of minus 1 plus x into 6 minus x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 plus x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled and here minus 3 plus 3, 3x minus of minus 1 plus x into 6 minus x square minus 5x minus 6. This is the thing we get, plus 6 minus 6 gets cancelled, and here 2x equals to 0. 3x plus 2x is 5x minus of minus 1 plus x into, see here what we get, if you take the minus common we get plus here, so x square plus 5x, right, is equals to 0. Now solve it. 5x minus x square minus 5x plus x cube plus 5x square is equals to 0. Plus 5x minus 5x, it's cancelled, and x square into, sorry, x cube, right, x cube plus 5x square minus x square, 4x square is equals to 0. If we take x square common here, we get x plus 4 is equals to 0, and hence x equals to minus 4. See, as there is closed bracket, minus 4 is also considered in the interval, so the option is A. Only one solution, or else one value of x is present in the interval minus 4 to minus 1. And here you can see that x square equals to 0. This is also a value of x, but 0 is not there in interval minus 4 comma minus 1. So there is only one solution or one value of x, which is minus 4 in the interval of minus 4 to minus 1. So guys, here is a problem from trigonometry. First of all, let's read the problem. If 1 plus cos 2x by sin 2x plus 3 into 1 plus tan x into tan x by 2 whole into sin x is equals to 4, then the value of tan x can be equals to 2, 1 by 2, 3, 1 by 3. These are the options. Now let's solve it. First of all, you can see here 1 plus cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2, right? As here 2x is there, we get only x, 2 cos square x. If 1 plus cos x is there, we get 2 cos square x by 2. And sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x plus 3 into 1 plus tan x into, and similarly here tan x can be written as 2 tan x by 1 plus 1 minus tan square x, right? 2 tan x into by 1 minus tan square x by 2 into sin x is equals to 4. Now 1 cos gets cancelled and 2 gets cancelled. Cos x by sin x is cot x plus 3 into, do LCM, 1 minus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan square x by 2 by 1 minus tan square x by 2 into sin x is equals to 4. Cot x plus 3 into, see here we get 1 plus tan square x by 2 by 1 minus tan square x by 2, which is cos 2x. Cos 2 into x by 2 is cos x, right? Cos x into sin x. So here we will get, wait, I'll explain briefly. 1 minus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan square x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan square x by 2. We get 1 plus tan square x by 2 by 1 minus tan square x by 2 into sin x is equals to 4, right? Now, what is the value of cos 2x in terms of tan? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x, right? But here we have 1 plus tan square x by 1 minus tan square x, which is reverse. So 1 plus tan square x by 1 minus tan square x is equals to 1 by cos 2x. So in the place of 1 plus tan square 2x by 2 by 1 minus tan square 2x by 2, we can write cos x, sorry 1 by cos x. Cot x plus 3 into 1 by cos x into sin x is equals to 4. Sin x by cos x is tan x. Now tan x can be written as, sorry, cot x can be written as 1 by tan x plus 3 into tan x is equals to 4. Now do the LCM, 1 plus 3 tan square x is equals to 4 tan x, right? Bring to LHS, 3 tan square x minus 4 tan x plus 1 is equals to 0. Factorize now, minus 3 tan x minus tan x plus 1 equals to 0. Take 3 tan x common, tan x minus 1 into tan x minus 1 equal to 0. And here 3 tan x minus 1 into tan x minus 1 equal to 0. We get tan x equals to 1 by 3 comma 1. Now see in the options we have 2 1 by 2, 3 1 by 3. We got the value of tan x as 1 by 3 and 1, but 1 is not there in the options, only 1 by 3 is there, so D is our correct option. Hope you got it. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe Satya News channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.